Kids love having a say, and toilet training is no exception. A choice board or motivator menu lets your child pick their reward before they even try. It's empowering, engaging, and cuts down on meltdowns. A choice board shows 2 to 4 reward options in pictures and words. Before your potty sit, you say, after you sit, do you want a sticker or bubbles? They point to their choice and that becomes their motivator. When children pick their reward, they feel in control. That sense of control boosts confidence and make them more likely to want to try. Choose 3 to 4 small quick rewards your child loves. Find or draw simple pictures. Write the word below each picture. Bonus, add Velcro so you can swap out options as needs change. If your child gets overwhelmed, start with just 2 choices or hold up one at a time. Do you want a sticker? Give a pause or high five. Then let them point. Today, before a potty sit, present your choice board. Let them pick, then help them sit. After they try, deliver the reward they choose. When children choose their reward, they learn that potty time can be positive and that their choice matters, and that makes all the difference.